In this video, I'm going to show you how to group questions in Typeform. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your form, go to Content, and then click on Add Content. Now, from here, you can then go and select Question Group here at the bottom right, and when you do this, it's going to give you a question group, okay? So as you can see, this group by default will have one default question in here, and of course, you can start adding your questions you want to group in here, or you could drag and drop existing questions in there as well. So, for example, if I try to add this one in here, I can just kind of hover over it. The first one is usually kind of tricky, so whenever you're trying to add in your first kind of question, there we go, it's quite tricky, but you'll be able to do it eventually. So then the second one, you can just go ahead, and the third one as well. And as you can see, these questions are now inside this question group, okay? I can now go ahead and basically delete this one over here, and as you can see, I have these three questions inside one of my question groups over here, and then I can of course add another question group, etc. So that's how you basically group questions. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.